Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could say up there above $2.60. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below $2.60, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 260 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into next week? Initial area of resistance is just simply where the party finally stopped today, and that was right up there at the $2.70 mark. If the price can break above there, then let's squeeze down the chart here, although we may have to go to another time frame because it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. A good problem to have. Yeah, let's just go to the daily time frame. Again, good problem to have when you have to go this far back into a chart's history. There we go. So after that $2.70 mark, next key overarching level of resistance right up here at $2.87, which if you go through the history of things, you can see quite the track record of the price struggling around that area. Not saying the price can't break through that area, just saying that apparently according to the story that's being told to us via the chart here, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above that level and then stay up above it. All in all, though, a very nice week, very nice way to end the week. So let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not next week.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.